What's up, guys? It's me, King of Fire. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing Toca Kitchen, and it's a fun game. So I played this a long time ago, so let's play it. Alright, so let's start with this lady. How about this lady for a sec? How about this lady? What? What did she just said? Whatever. How about you like this? You liked it? You like it? Oh, you like it. Alright. How about some strawberries? Corn? Corn? Wait, how about this? Oh, it's great, right? Alright. How about some bread? You know what? Let's make you a spoon. Oh, wait a minute. I don't got a spoon. Come on. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Nah. I'm not doing that. This. And this. Pineapple. Watermelon. Wait a minute. Oh, oranges. Great. This will be amazing. This is gonna be so good. And gotta add more. Oh, let's see that. And stir for that also. Alright. It just made it a little orangey, so add some strawberry into it. Oh, it just got a little redder. Alright. Oh no, no more water. No more water. Alright. Alright, so we're done now. Alright, so just what is this water thing? Well, oh well. Alright. So let's drink this. Why you putting your mouth like that? Why you putting your mouth like that? Whatever. Here. Do you like it? Oh, it's great, isn't it? Alright. How about some onion? Onion? Do you like it? Oh. Okay. How about some noodles? Noodles. How about some noodles? What? How about some rice? How about some rice? What? You don't like rice neither? What's wrong with you, girl? Rice is good. How about some chicken and meat and sausage? Let's get that thing burning. Oh, this is gonna be tasting so good, bro. You're gonna like. She's gonna like it. Alright. Alright, let's get these two. These two are gonna be so good. She's gonna love it. She's sure gonna love it. That thing looks bussin'. Alright guys, so I think we're done with the food. Ooh, it's hot, isn't it? It's hot. It's really hot. Alright. So let's just start with the chicken. That fried chicken looks bussin'. How does it taste, the chicken? Ooh, that chicken tastes good, isn't it? Now let's time for the meat. The meat. Does the meat taste good? The meat. She like the chicken and the meat. Chicken and meat, they're kind of similar, but they're not the same. I like both of them, so yeah, man. Alright, last but not least, the sausage. Time for the sausage. You're gonna eat this bloody sausage. Sorry about that. She liked both? She liked all of them. Alright. How about a tentacle? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yes, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love this, bro. You're gonna love it. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Don't you say no. Stop making that face. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, alright, so, now we cooking something, bro. Let's go. Alright. Gotta add some more to that, come on. Alright. And that. Alright. This time to deep fried it. Time to deep fried it. Alright. Alright, guess that's enough. Alright. Alright, time to give you some stuff. Alright. We got everything set up for you, so let's just do it. Let's do it. Here's some ketchup. Why won't you like ketchup? This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. It's gonna be bussin'. Stop being so afraid. God dang. Oh yes, here's some spiciness. Alright, here's some salt. And here's some... Oh, wait a minute. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, no. No, I exited out the game. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's continue. Where was I? Oh, yeah, the pepper. Sorry about that. Alright. And more mustard. Yes. More ketchup. More hot sauce. Ooh, some soy sauce. Ooh, let's freaking go. Lemon, salt, and pepper. Alright, so the first one. What? What's the big idea? She didn't like all of them. She just fainted down. How about let's put some hot in it? Yes, this is gonna be spicy. Stop making that word face. Come on. It's gonna be busting. Alright. You gotta put some more than that. Come on. It's gonna be good. How does it taste? What? Look at that face she got there, bro. Look at that face she got there, bro. What? What? It's so weird that she does that face every time. Come on. Alright, so let's just do something. Let's do something healthy for her. Now she just ate her fruits and stuff that she didn't like. So let's do something healthy. No, that one. No! Dang it! Not the noodles. She doesn't like the noodles. No! Pineapple. Alright. Strawberry. Watermelon. Orange. And I guess that's it. And the tomato too? Did I get the tomato? I think I do, so. Yeah, man. So let's give her a big mash of food in her mouth. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Eat that thing. Eat it. Come on, be a beast. Come on, let's go. Oh. Oh, it was good, wasn't it, girl? I feel great. How about this mushroom? Eat this mushroom. Oh, she liked that too? Alright then. Alright. Oh, she hasn't tried one of these. How about a potato? Potato? Do you like potato? Wait a minute, I thought that you liked the potato. Come on. When you saw it, you were just happy. This didn't make no sense. Oh, how about this dragon fruit? Come on, eat the dragon fruit. Come on. It tastes good, right? Are you kidding me? Or how about some broccoli? I forgot about the broccoli. Sorry about that, guys. That was supposed to be in the healthy lunch, so yeah. Good, isn't it? Alright. Oh, fish. Do you want fish? You want fish? How about I cook it for you? Yeah, I'm gonna cook it for you, so. What you gonna do about it, huh? What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Cook it. Let's fry this thing up. Alright, I'm done. Alright, now it's done. Let's put some lemon. Let's put some lemon, salt, and pepper. So, I think that's it. Eat it all. Oh, what was the big idea spitting on me? You just spit on me. Oh, you're so stupid. Come on. How about some corn will chew you up? How about some corn? She like corns too, alright. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.